Good morning, sir.
Good
Thank you
morning
so much.
too.
Thank you so much for taking the time to
Okay,
speak with me today.
right.
My name is Ika.
My name is Rosmaliana.
Okay, nice to meet you
Nice to meet you
all. I'm
too.
sorry, my name is Sanares. I'm lecturer today all. Nice to meet you all.
Um, and I'm currently working on a project about classroom
Yes.
environment. I'd like to ask you a few questions based on your experience
Okay.
as a lecturer. So we begin.
Okay, we'll start now.
For the first to begin, how will your personality define a positive classroom environment?
Okay. Uh, First for my class personal improvement. The first I want my classroom to be I don't know in I don't know in English we call it mandiri. I want my student to be mandiri student. So I'm teach them to be mandiri. Just first of all, I'm prepare my material of PPT. Then I'm sharing to all my students. I have 14 class, three I'm call it mata kuliah, and then I'm sharing to them all to first practice first. Jadi before I'm coming to class, I want them to practicing first and reading or something about my material. The secondly, after I come to class, I want the situation of class to be an interactive class. I'm got an ask, they answer, then we call up the analytic class. I want to make the room class situation to be live, not to be like I am don't know like I'm called the zombie class. I'm speak, they are quiet. I don't know they are hear me or not. Then I want to be the interactive class. They ask to me, I'm asked to them. They answer to me, I'm answer to them, just like that. Then thirdly, I want make my class to be simple, simplicity. I don't want given him more, I don't know, a lot of exam or something. Just one typical exam presentation maybe, or one, I don't know, some exam maybe, answer the answer for some. Then I want to be my class to be a simplicity class. Just like that. Then I'm to be my class to be enjoyable. I want to be my class to simplifyful. Then I'm I know I'm very excited about that. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Next, in your experience, what are the most effective ways to build a good relationship
Mm,
with student in the classroom?
okay. I'm to thank you all. I'm call it you all Dinda. It mean in bahasa or we call in Sumatra language Dinda. It mean maybe brother or sister
Oh yeah.
because I'm just like you are approach you like, approach you like my own brother or my sister. Just like we're close, not to be a traditional lecture and student. No, I don't want like that. I want you are give me just like your brother, your older brother, that you can tell to me, sharing to me. Maybe you, I know, given you want, I'm giving help to you, just like that. No barrier. I want to be more close, more, I don't know, maybe some, I don't know, what we call it. We very, very close, just like brother and sister. Just, I want not better, I don't want better about our relationship, just like that. So, I'm in the position just like old brother helping the younger sister or younger brother to make about the material, to make help about their difficulty to be class or something, just like that. That make me and my student more closely, just like full like now, just like that.
The next question. What strategies do you use to ensure every student feels safe and heard in your class?
Okay, the first of all, I am a traditional lecturer. Why I call IMA traditional? Because my powering of my class to be the material, PPT and something. The secondly, uh, I more given my student to be close for everything, uh, especially relationship. Maybe we can talk anything, not about material class. Maybe about your for your story, maybe for your difficulty, but between my experience, I'm talking about my experience, my exam about my I don't know. For I don't like speak about more theoretical, but I want to try to compare the theoretical with my experience, with my exam about phenomena and the people, just like that. There, my student more be close what I'm talking about, what the meaning about. Just more close. Then, yeah, maybe jadi your class too kan? I more to be a pronouncement for telling about what did I have, did I my experience. Then, for example, for the lot of people, just like that.
Very humble.
No, I'm trying to be the best, just like that. You have any question?
Next question. What classroom routines or daily habits do you think help create a consistent and positive learning environment?
Okay. Uh, about that, I like to be, first of all, I like to be my student more positively mindset is the first. The secondly, I have more correlation stereotype with me and my student. The secondly, we has more same about everything, yeah, about everything, maybe about concept, about example, about the explanation about what I'm studying, that they haven't to arrive in their brain. So uh, for me, the positivity is they haven't the good relationship, the good the same correlation about what I'm talking about. Then they haven't to accepting, and then they what the material of an have, they taken they more taken again to maybe to himself or maybe to her friend, just like that. They maybe more make the positively, not for me, for them choose, just like that.
Lastly, question from
Yes.
dari aku. If you could give one piece of advice to student about creating a good classroom environment, what will it be?
Okay. First of all, I want to be my class student the first, how they to be the good person first. Because in my opinion, in my rules, my parents always telling to me, first to be the successful man is to be good person first. And then the secondly, we have gone to mandiri to I don't know in English I don't know yet. Independent. Sorry, thank you for independent people, because um, we can help ourselves first, then we can help another people. And then thirdly, we must to be how to be the thankful people for another people, because I don't know, maybe for me the attitude is the priority, then the secondly more academic. So for the three characteristics about that, I think more make the my student to be the positively people and maybe successful people, just like I'm doing now. Maybe for less my breath, like that. Okay, just like that. Anything, Susan?
In your view, What role does student participation play in shaping the classroom environment?
Oh,
Environment. Sorry.
environment. My rules maybe first discipline, of course.
Discipline.
The secondly, be a good person. The thirdly, hobby to be independent. And fourthly, for the fourth, maybe they must be, they have the good personality with the good attitude, just like that.
Yeah.
The fourth priority point of make himself to be successful, just like
Okay.
to be improvement for himself,
It's
just like
very
that.
important. Yeah.
Yes, basically.
Yes,
Anything else?
okay. Oh, last maybe, how do you teachers' attitude and emotional impact the mood and success of a class?
It's a very difficult answer to be answer. It's a difficult question to be answered. Okay, for me, the good attitude for me to be in class. First of all, I want to be the humble lecturer. How to be humble? I approach for another, I don't know, maybe question, maybe some rules from another people, maybe some impact from you all, maybe because for me, learn is not about a class. Learn can be learn from anything, for any person or any situation. Maybe I'm look you all speak about each other. Before me, the material of studying, or maybe I'm look the people how to be how to be they for conversation, how to be himself for I don't know mindset. Just for me, that's a matter of education. So for me, and I hope to my student too learn not about a class, but anything situation, any condition, maybe for anything person. Maybe we can learn for our younger brother. Maybe we can learn to other people. Maybe I can learn for my student too. How about their presentation? They answer the I don't know question of class or something. For me, independent to be how to be key of a successful, how to be improvement for yourself, like that, just like that. Anything answer?
Okay, that's
Any question? Also done. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir,
Thank you
for your valuable insight. I truly appreciate
Thank you
your
for-
time and talks. It's been very helpful.
Thank you.
For my assessment, I hope more students can experience a learning environment like the one you described.
Thank you
so
for
much,
someone.
ya, Pak.
Thank you for the time. Nice to meet you again.